Indesit IWME127 Washing Machine. The perfect integrated washing machine. This Indesit washing machine is a spectacular-looking machine that fits neatly in the space of a standard kitchen unit. As with the new range of Indesit washing machines, this washing machine uses the Prime technology system. This will ensure that the best results will be achieved for each washing cycle. In the long run, you will, therefore, save much water and energy. In addition, this washing machine has a large wash capacity of 7 kilograms, making this washing machine suitable for your family's needs. Economy features of this Indesit washing machine are: 1. 1200 RPM high spin feature removes much water from clothes. 2. Quick wash feature allows a 30-minute spin cycle. 3. Silk wash cycle ensures your silk items are correctly cared for. 4. Anti-crease program to reduce creasing and speed up your ironing time. Click below to learn more about this product at Amazon.